G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. So I got a couple of announcements to make. First of all, I finally decided to bite the bullet and sign up for Instagram. Yes, that's right, Vulcan Camman is on Instagram, so I'll leave a link in the description and you can go and follow me. I don't have any content up there as of yet, so I'm still sort of, working that part out. Well, more or less I've just been lazy. I haven't posted anything yet, so so yeah, if you could follow me on Instagram, that would be hugely appreciated. I would hugely appreciate that, and I'll say that twice. That's because I appreciate it double. So yeah, another thing is, another point I want to make is, we're coming pretty close to our 100 subscriber challenge, 100 subscriber JB Hi-Fi gift card giveaway. So we're pretty close on that. So if you guys could keep sharing and subscribing, that would be appreciated too. Another thing, I'm taking my bike up to get serviced. It's not quite due for its service, but I thought I might as well just get it serviced anyway, because in a couple of weeks I'm going on a 2,500 kilometer ride with a group of mates. So I want to make sure that my bike's up to speed with it, fresh oil filter, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm heading up to Ottawa Kawasaki now. I don't know if I'll be able to put out any vlogs or any moto vlogs during the week-long ride, because I won't be near my computer, so I'll probably only be able to take my mum's laptop just to download the footage off the GoPro and whatnot onto a external hard drive. So I'll probably have to do all the editing and whatnot when I get home afterwards. So I mean, I will put out the occasional Instagram photo and whatnot, but apart from that, when it comes to moto vlogs, yeah, you guys will have to wait until I get back from the ride. But anyway, it's gonna be a pretty interesting ride. 2,500 Ks. What's that in miles? I'll just subtitle it. So yeah, pretty long ride. The longest ride I've ever been on. So yeah, that's the latest news from Vulcan Camman. Like I said before, if you could follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook, that would be hugely appreciated. So a little bit of a backstory for you. When I first signed up for Instagram, it was Vulcan Camman, the same as what my YouTube channel is. And unfortunately, when I tried to link my Instagram account with my Facebook page, for some reason it kept on grouching at me saying that the information was invalid or something. And so I tried resetting my password. I tried refreshing my browser and deleting all the cache and all that sort of stuff, but that didn't work. So I thought, you bitch. So what I had to do was I had to delete that account and then sign up with Instagram through the Facebook Instagram link page or something. And now I've got Vulcan _Cam_man. So that's the name of my account now, but it is linked to my Facebook page, so any posts that I make on my Instagram will also show up on Facebook. Yeah, so follow Vulcan Camman on Instagram and like him on Facebook as well. When the time gets, probably after the week-long ride, I'll put out information about how you guys can sign up for the little competition to win that JB Hi-Fi gift card. Just because it's just going to be a bit of a pain in the butt to do it, while I'm out on the ride. So I just thought it'd be a lot easier just to to give you guys a heads up on that when I get back. So anyway, that's all from me. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I hope you guys are actually out on a ride and enjoying the nice views and the wind in your hair and whatnot. Yeah, so from Vulcan Camman, all the best, cheers, ride safe.